The role of women in leadership has definitely changed over time. I think we're seeing a lot more women leaders, and multiple of them, which is really good. Second, I think earlier from tokenism, having one or two women leaders who were possibly maybe part of, say, a family that was leading a group, we now see a lot of professional women coming into leadership who are maybe not related, to the owners, who are not related in any way to the other C-suite. And I think the role of women leadership is also changing than maybe what we saw 10 years ago, where it was probably sort of a given that if you are a woman leader, you cannot have a personal life, you may not be able to get married, have children. I think now what you're seeing is women advocating for themselves a lot more, opening many more doors for other women to get in, and really owning the space of leadership in terms of not just walking on or building on what the legacy has been, but actually getting a whole new perspective, which has been missing for a really long time. As far as leadership is concerned, I think if you ask that question to any woman in any field, the answer will always be yes. A personal anecdote that I can share is that what's happened a lot of times has been that there are certain misconceptions and prejudices that one has to fight a lot harder. For example, when it comes to any promotion, when it comes to, say, maybe an assignment that maybe a woman has not done before, the woman always has to prove herself first, again and again, over and over again, before she gets that. Also, I think preconceived prejudices and notions like women are not good in finance, not good in science, let's sort of give them sort of easier stories to do. All of those are doors which, had to be broken down quite vociferously over and over again, to be really able to prove and get those positions and assignments that one wants. I think the need of the hour is more and more of such platforms, especially what Bharat Dialogues has been able to do, really a rich dialogues across on all aspects of women in leadership. Because I think today with social media, there's a lot of bombardment of information, fake news, and a lot of narratives that have been building where there is a misconception that emancipation of women has already happened. Women are already in leadership positions. How much more do you really want? But that's not true. It's a long road ahead for women, for society, to really have equity and equality